It's one of the small rivers here in Point Leamington, Western Arm and well, Leamington River, or Mill River as we call it. So I'm coming into what we call Walker's Falls here now, and this is a walking trail. There we go, on this river. Lots of good salmon pools all the way in here. And it's the 16th of July. This is a look up the river, and it's Walker's Falls, right here, and this is where we used to swim as a boy years ago. So I'm going to go and see, can I get some video underwater. Morning. This is a walking trail that they got. Goes on up around, but I'm going to go down and walk up along by the river. As you can see, it's a pretty busy spot. Everything's wore down. So a lot of fishermen on this river. And this is looking down the river towards the salt water. You can see lots of pools. There's a good pool right here. The last time I was in, it was the day before yesterday. I rose one there 3 times. Never got any video because I never even had a camera actually. Anyway, nothing moving this morning. See the salmon down in the wall there. One there with a big scar. Oh, there's probably a dozen or more. I just rose one there now. Can I have a bit of fun here? Right back there, what? Yeah. Got 9. Yep, he's got it. Lamb rough. It's July the 6th, 2022. Salmon fishing again this morning. It's supposed to be a nice day. I'm up there again this morning now in the Mill River, and there's a salmon run on. I haven't seen anything yet this morning. I had a few casts there now. It's starting to get daylight, and 2 or 3 fellows on the river. So I'm going to have a few flicks here. Flies are thick. A lot of mosquitoes. I haven't seen anything move yet this morning. But now yesterday was pretty good. Walker's Falls. And we got Dog Falls just inside there, about a kilometre probably. And most of the holes are filled in with rock now. That one right there, that's the only big hole there now. There's a few salmon hanging out in that there, so you can't see them this morning. It's just black yet. And I'm having a few flicks here, and I'm going to move on to the next pool. Not too much activity yet, anyway. But when it happens, it happens. Now, I just rode one right by the side of that rock right there. I'm going to try him now. Right down there. See what happens. Right there. Yeah, get a shorter line. And the flies and millions are flying. Anyway, I'm going to try that one now. Get the fly coming in right there. Right. Alright. Down there somewhere. Oh. I don't know if you've seen that one or not.